This update is part of our system-wide migration to the new HSA authentication model and browser-based workflow. Today's training will walk you through what's changing and what steps you must complete before and after go live. We are transitioning to HSA version of Meditech on May 1, 2026. The current version of Meditech, Stewards, will go into downtime April 30th at 1900. When the downtime is lifted, all users will begin accessing Meditech through a web browser instead of the desktop application. You will log in using your HSA email address and your network password, the same credentials you used to sign into your workstation. Before go live, please complete your self-service password reset enrollment. This prevents login issues on May 1st and ensures you can reset your password if needed. Visit the link shown on the screen. If prompted, follow the steps to verify your identity or reset your password. If you are not prompted, it means you have already completed this setup. To begin your session, select Launch New Session. Your user ID, domain, and password will automatically populate. Depending on your configuration, the HCIS and job fields may also default. If they do not, simply select them using the drop-down arrows. Then click Sign On to enter Meditech. When you log in, Meditech will launch directly in your browser. The main menu will look familiar, and all application functionality remains the same as the desktop version. You will continue to use PCS, EDM, SUR, IDM, and other modules as you always have. Although you are now accessing Meditech through a browser, the workflow and functionality of each application remains the same as the desktop version. Before you begin working in Meditech, you'll need to confirm that your subdivision is set correctly. Click Subdivisions located at the bottom of the first screen. Select the correct facility from the drop-down menu. For example, users at Palmetto General Hospital should select Facility PGM. Then click OK to continue. One change you'll notice is that certain identifiers within Meditech may look slightly different than what you're used to. For example, Palmetto General Hospital is now part of Region 2. These visual differences do not change your workflows, but they help standardize how locations are displayed across the system. During your first login, you will also need to set your Meditech PIN. This PIN is required for signing orders, documenting restricted actions, and completing certain workflows. Follow the prompt to create a secure PIN you will remember. When accessing Meditech through the web version, you'll notice a redesigned navigation bar at the top of the screen. This bar stays at the top of your screen and provides quick access to commonly used functions such as return to and close. These features streamline navigation and reduce the number of clicks needed to move between patients and tasks. The More option opens a utility submenu, including tools for managing downloaded documents. Please do not use the Suspend option. If patient charts are open, selecting Suspend can lock those charts and prevent other clinicians from accessing them for time-sensitive patient care. Use the Close button to close the active window or chart without leaving a session running in the background. When exiting Meditech, do not close the browser window using the X in the corner. This leaves your session active in the background, which can prevent others from entering the patient's chart, especially for orders, medication reconciliation, or documentation. Instead, use the Return to or Close buttons inside Meditech. In surgical services, preference cards now begin with a new mnemonic starting with the letters PH. Default preference cards begin with PH-DF. Provider-specific preference cards begin with PH followed by the provider's initials. This update improves organization and consistency across the catalog. This concludes the training module. Thank you for your time and attention. Please click on the provided link to download the full module.